Driven Rolls-Royce from the very beginning, this absolute obsession to create extremely rare products that both captivate and entertain. And to create something new, you have to start over, and that's what a champagne chest is. It's champagne, but presented in a way that's quite unlike anything we've seen before. The external design is minimal, monolithic even, and yet at the touch of a button, this enigmatic black box transforms into something quite unexpected. Inside is a perfectly appointed champagne set for four, with an offering of flutes that draw parallels with a V12 engine. We wanted to bring the power of juxtaposition to the chest, so we deliberately designed it with two states in mind. When it's closed, it's minimal, but when it opens with the secret button, it comes alive. There's a sense of theatre. It's rather like those old mechanical music boxes where engineers and designers conspired together to create a...
That's it, power. There we go, go left a little bit, that's it, don't need those curves. You can see how much extra grip on the ice in this thing. It's amazing. This is an ice rink now, isn't it?
Yeah.
So if you go wide here, you get even more grip and they're more predictable. Now use the throttle. There you go. See? Lots of grip.
Oh.
It's okay.
The torque is nice. So linear and everywhere.
Right, that's it. I'm afraid. Got to go over there.
Sorry.
Is it 8-speed gearbox?
8-speed, yeah. ZF
Yeah,
gearbox.
she dropped to.
Cool, thank you guys.
So can we bribe you?
And a champagne stop.
Yeah.
And of course the traditional champagne glass is different, so we're trying to keep it in.
Champagne stop must be impossible.
Julia has done the chauffeur.
Yeah, she came with me and
okay. So you were the teacher? Or?
yes, I'm the only person that can deliver this course.
Oh, see. Wow.
Sign me up.
An honor.
And the feeling when you close these.
It's good, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah, he's we got a couple more rotations, yeah, thank you.
So
the gears obviously towards you and down, that's it. Right
and
to the left.
we go. And now all the security. No, this car's coming out.
It's okay, she's making that's Julia, isn't it, driving?
Yeah, I
yes, it
think
is.
so.
She's on her own agenda.
Okay.
Yeah, we can drive over there.
Round like this.
Yeah. No, that's it.
Yeah.
And then
Okay.
Fullt med leksaker där liksom. Det är ju...
straight.
Yeah.
So at the moment everything is turned on, of course, just to I would suggest just braking a little going into the corner. That's it. You don't need that much angle. Take some angle.
Okay.
That's it.
Yeah.
Just wait for the front to grip rather than increasing the angle.
Massage måste jag dra på här.
So is it on the...
Yeah, we just drive around here. That's it.
Whole body activation
See,
massage.
because this is so slippery.
Oh,
Perfect.
shit.
Yeah, just go into the corner with a little brake.
Yeah.
Now, if I turn everything off,
That's a totally different reaction.
yeah. So as we go into this, have a little bit of brake.
Här är ju varmt
turn,
också, känner
and then you wait.
Så jävla
Then you turn.
Det är så jag är en
This all
perfekt
around,
inte
then you
dit.
wait.
Okay.
Okay, now power and take the angle off. There we go. Power, more power, more power. Yay, there we go.
Hey, we don't go.
And then straight.
Yeah,
Perfect.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah, wow.
Excellent.
Yeah, I thought the wheel was much further away. I mean,
You only need this much.
I didn't have much angle on it.
No, you
Leather everywhere.
now brake a little. Now wait.
Så här är läder
Wait
också.
for it, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Now with the power. There we go.
Ja,
Take the angle off.
perforerat på något
There you
sätt.
go.
Okay, yeah, okay. This takes some time to get used to the
course.
reaction of this car.
Because you have so much torque that's delivered very low in the rev range, we have to modify how much you use your right foot. And a little bit of throttle. That's it. Now a little bit more. There you go. Now power. More power. Yay! There we go. Perfect.
Yeah, they are actually set to come from that direction. These cones.
Cool.
Helkroppsmassage, det
Changing
är
groups very
rumpan också.
shortly. So, would you like a drive as well?
Yeah, of course.
One more, yes please.
It's very quick and responsive.
It is, isn't it?
And the panel is customizable as on the Phantom, the upper.
Yes. So this, in fact, on the Cullinan, this is the only leather that you can have at the moment. Other leathers eventually will be available, but this box grain leather originally comes from sort of antique luggage. It's called box grain, so it's the finish of the leather is like this.
Because the Phantom really have this special,
They
you
have
know.
a gallery.
Exactly, that's the name.
Yeah, we didn't want the gallery on this. We kept that just for the Phantom.
Yeah, because that's really special. Like gold, leaf gold and
Anything
things
that
like
you
that.
want.
Yeah,
You can have your own painting.
So if I give full gas now, would you a donut?
No, because it's DSC on.
Okay, this
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah, we just swap around and then.
yeah, I'm gonna beat him up later because he got it for like 5 laps.
I know. Yeah. He stole your lap.
Yeah, he did.
Sorry.
Don't forget your gloves.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. A couple more laps.
Du bör dra på stolsvärme och även helkroppsmassage har ju i stolen.
Ja, vad bra. Det stänger.
Ja, skönt. Här vill jag vara ända tills vi kommer till flygplatsen.
Fast jag tyckte man satt bättre i blåst.
Okay, where you go?
Ja, man kanske inte det.
Finns inte det bak också om man jagar, va? Så kan vi...
Vad händer där inne nu då?